Alrighty, there's the dirt bike. Okay, now, always wear a helmet, safety first. Let's get this on. Dang, alright. Here we go. Now this is my Honda 70cc. Or some people just call it a Honda 70. Or like a Honda 50 if it's a 50cc, and you get it, it varies. Alright, now we're doing a lap around. So let's get up here and turn around. If I can. There we go. You're up. There we go. Now we can go. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm having to yell, so I hope you guys can. Yeah, we're just going to do a whole lap. There is one place where I'm going to have to walk it because it's very dangerous. But then from there, I should be able to go. Alright. So be careful around here for cars. Right. I don't know even where everybody is, because there were a lot of people there. Maybe they left. No, they didn't, because their cameras are still up, so I guess not. Alright, always look for cars, people. There could be a car coming down any second. Like around this turn. What if there was a car? That's a blind spot, so I really can't see that. Alright, I hope they don't stop me. I'm just gonna do a lap. Yeah, this lap's really fun. You'll see. We go back into the woods. Sorry, they were calling for me. Sweet. Alright, it's really slippery through here. And I have a freaking lake next to me, so I'm gonna go slower. Alright, here's where I typically slip up. You'll see my back wheel. That seems like we're good. That. See, yeah, there. There I slipped up a good amount. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to walk it across this bridge because it's a really sketchy bridge. So let's hope I don't fall in or anything. Alright, here's where I'm gonna have to walk it in, so. Or I probably should have left it on in first gear, actually. That'd probably be better. Because I cannot make that up there, so let me do that. Get off me, bugs. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Yep. Just come over. Gotta do this sort of quick. And then here we can just. Alrighty. You're up. And 2. There we go. Now, we're about to enter like the backwoods. It's a rough terrain. Woo, I'm scared. First time I did this was like just a little bit ago, and it was like sketchy. Like, see how back here it just gets really tight? See if we can. There we go. Over that. Right here. Now I'm gonna have to go up here, because that's the best way. That's at least the way I went last time. So let's keep that in. Make it. Yeah. Over it. Whew. Ah. Alright, this scares the crap out of me, dude. It's probably like, well, Milo, why are you doing it? Oh, wait, these lead to the same place. Oh, so I could have done it that way. Oh. Well, at least I didn't, like, fall into the lake, so. just hope I don't fall at all. Because I don't want to fall, because I don't like falling. Alright, there's a creek here. Let's see if we can cross it safely. Push. Come on. Push. Oh, yeah. I cannot make it past that. First try. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh, that was so scary, bro. Scared the living crap out of me. Okay, and then right here. Yeah. Okay, I know where we are now. Gosh, that scares me. There's a small creek. There we go. Alright, now by here it's just a lot easier. I gotta keep my foot just in case. You never know what could happen. Luckily, no cars, I think, are coming this way. That's the good thing. I've never seen a car come this way. I mean, a car wouldn't fit, but just saying. Alright, now we're basically out. Alright, out. Had a stick stuck in your bike. And we made it out! Woo! Oh wait, I needed a cart there. Okay, I'll just turn around here. Turn. Oh my gosh. Dog. Right here. Oh, golly, that was a fun ride.